Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Set up Python 3, 10 plus in a virtualenv and install pip packages. Once done, pick a generation model, stable diffusion, or a GAN because the architecture dictates preprocessing and memory needs. Make sure to install Torch and Torch Vision matching your CUDA version to speed training, otherwise use CPU fallback. You will also fetch the model weights and a small image dataset. This gets you into the working state. Next, load and preprocess images for training or inference. You now load the model and shape your data pipeline. First, implement a data loader that resizes, center crops, and normalizes images to the model's expected range. This matters for convergence. Next, load pre-trained weights, move the model to the device, and set train or eval mode depending on your intent. To accelerate and stabilize, use batching and mixed precision where supported, and fix random seeds for reproducible outputs. Make sure your training loop computes losses and optimizes only intended parameters. You finish by running the training or inference loop and saving checkpoints every n epoch so you can resume or roll back. Monitor losses and sample outputs, then tune learning rate, batch size, scheduler, and augmentations to improve quality. Once satisfied, export the model and provide a small inference script that loads weights, runs the generator, and post-processes outputs. If things go wrong, check the device, available memory, model weights integrity, and input normalization first. Those are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.